We're working with the Zanzibar Malaria Elimination Programme, and we're using off-the-shelf drones, and we're using those drones to map water bodies, so at the edges of rivers and streams, rice paddies, natural swamps and things like that. We take those images and we upload them to smartphone apps, and that smartphone app will be in the hands of the local communities, because this is a community-led larviciding scheme. And what they'll be able to do is use that app and the information that we've got from the drones to be able to navigate their way through the landscape and very precisely be able to identify where those water bodies are, and to be able to put this low toxicity larvicide into the water bodies, killing the mosquito larvae at source to reduce the population of malaria carrying mosquitoes and thereby reduce malaria infection across the island. The project is funded by the non-for-profit organisation Innovative Vector Control Consortium, and they receive funds from people like the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, UK Aid. And what we hope is with their support is that we can design this methodology that can actually help eliminate malaria in areas like Zanzibar. And the hope is that we can then take that methodology and apply it across the globe to have this real impact on global malaria burden.